The head nurse stood with sparkling eyes and said, "We're using technology not just to save time, but to save lives." The room agreed, imagining a future where every patient gets exactly what they need. Inspired, nurses shared stories of timely interventions that made a difference. Every innovation must carry the promise of compassionate care, another nurse added. Excitement filled the room as they planned how to use their tools effectively. These advancements enhance our instincts, letting us focus on patients, the head nurse continued. The team discussed training to master the technology. "We can integrate these systems into our workflows while keeping our humanity," a younger nurse said. They envisioned using data to anticipate patient needs and improve daily operations. The team imagined a hospital where every room thrived with healing, guided by AI insights. What if we create a feedback loop where our experiences shape the technology? A nurse proposed. The conversation shifted into brainstorming, ideas flowing like streams of hope. They committed to an adaptable mindset, welcoming change while keeping compassion central. "This is a pivotal moment for us," the head nurse proclaimed with determination. "We're not just implementing technology, we're pioneering a new healthcare paradigm. Imagine a world where we anticipate needs before they arise," she urged, inspiring the team. "With AI guiding decisions, we can focus more on human connections and less on paperwork." Nods of agreement rippled through the room as nurses embraced this vision. Quote, "This isn't just about efficiency, it's about rekindling the soul of our practice," one nurse exclaimed. They pictured the joy of delivering care without administrative burdens. Conversations turned to designing a nurturing environment for patients. "Every interaction should uplift spirits," a nurse suggested. "Let's ensure no patient feels like just another number," another added. They rallied around the idea that blending compassion with advanced technology could transform procedures. They believed it would also deepen their relationships with patients. As they fleshed out this vision steeped in humanity, the night wore on. A sense of destiny shimmered within the hospital walls. It revealed the future of healthcare, a fusion of hope, innovation, and heartfelt care. "Let's celebrate our successes," the head nurse suggested, her voice warm. "It's essential we share stories of how our insights have changed lives." The room buzzed with excitement. Each nurse exchanged glances, eager to recount their experiences. Individual achievements began to form a collective tapestry of hope and healing. "Each story motivates us and fuels our shared vision," a nurse noted, her enthusiasm infectious. The air crackled with inspiration. Tales of extraordinary patient care unfolded. They showcased how operational AI had become an invaluable ally. "Just last week, I had a patient at risk of deterioration," she began, steady yet animated. "Thanks to AI alerts, we acted swiftly." Her colleagues leaned in, captivated by her story. They nodded at the intervention that followed. It was a perfect illustration of teamwork in action. The celebration of innovation resonated throughout the hospital. Each nurse acknowledged their pivotal role in the journey. They realized they were not just adapting to change. They were actively shaping the future of patient care. Technology and compassion would harmonize. Together, they redefined excellence in healthcare. Stay connected with us. Thank you.